Good morning students, welcome again here in this video tutorial. Myself Nashima Khan, and today I am going to continue our chapter number 6 of class 4th Social Science, the Southern Plateau, part 2. So students, all of you know that we have already discussed about that the southern plateau is surrounded by hills. What? Yes, the southern plateau is surrounded by hills, and which one they are? Northwest Aravalli Hills. Okay, here you can say that. Then northeast Rajmahal Hills, this area. Then east Eastern Ghats, and then Western Ghat. Okay. So students, let's continue our chapter, the Southern Plateau, part 2, with topic, Life in the Southern Plateau. Which topic? Life in the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau region covers a vast area and has the climate and soil vary from place to place. Okay, the region experiences heavy rainfall. However, the climate is moderate in this region. It is neither too hot and even not too cold. So, the southern plateau covers the state of Maharashtra. Which states southern plateau covers? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and parts of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Which part? Yes, some parts of Chhattisgarh and some parts of Jharkhand. So these are the states which cover what? Yes, the southern plateau. So students, as you can see in the political map of India, it covers parts of Rajasthan also. Yes, some parts of Rajasthan also, even some parts of Bihar also. Which one? Some parts of Bihar and some part of Odisha also. And rest of the states are, as you can see in this map, Maharashtra. So, which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Here the location of Maharashtra in political map of India. Maharashtra, okay. Then Madhya Pradesh. Which one? Maharashtra. Then Madhya Pradesh. Then Chhattisgarh. Which one? Chhattisgarh. Then Telangana. Which one? Telangana. Then Andhra Pradesh also. Karnataka, and then Tamil Nadu also. Okay. These are the states. Yes, which covers by the southern plateau. What? Which covered by the southern plateau. Which states? As you can see in this map. So students, first let's talk about Maharashtra state. Which states? Maharashtra. Maharashtra is located in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. Which part of the Deccan Plateau it is located? Yes, it is located in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau, or it lies in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. And it has rich soil. Which has rich soil? Yes, Maharashtra state has very rich soil, and two important rivers also are here. Which one? The Godavari and Krishna rivers, which passes through this region. Which rivers? The Godavari and Krishna rivers. You know what, beta? Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton. Which one? Yes, Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton. And other crops also grown here, just like jowar, bajra, groundnuts. Which crops? Jowar, bajra, groundnuts, and sugarcane also. And second largest producer of sugarcane in India. Which one? Maharashtra is the second largest producer of sugarcane in India. The state also produces fruits such as grapes, oranges and mangoes and even banana also. इसके अलावा जो स्टेट है आपके काफ़ी फ्रूट भी प्रोड्यूस करता है. कौन कौन से फ्रूट है जो वो प्रोड्यूस करता है? सच एज ग्रेप्स, ऑरेंजेस एंड मैंगोज. And you know what, beta? The oranges of Nagpur are very, very famous. Yes, Nagpur is famous for its oranges. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Yes, its capital is Mumbai, an important trade and industrial center. What it is? Yes, it is an important trade and industrial center. And you know what? Mumbai is also the biggest center for film production in India. Which, yes, ये जो आपका मुंबई है biggest center है किसका? Film production का. Okay, all over India. Some other important cities of Maharashtra are also just like Pune, Nasik, Solapur and Aurangabad. Which one important cities also? Yes, Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, Aurangabad and Solapur also. मराठी इज़ द मेन लैंग्वेज ऑफ द पीपल इन महाराष्ट्र. महाराष्ट्र में जो आपके मेन जो लैंग्वेज है वहाँ के जो मोस्टली आपके वहाँ लोग रहते हैं उनकी मेन लैंग्वेज क्या है? विच इज़ द मेन लैंग्वेज ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र? यस, द मेन लैंग्वेज ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र इज़ मराठी. विच वन? मराठी. And you know the gateway of India is in Mumbai. A very beautiful picture as you can see here. Which picture is it? Yes, it is the gateway of India. And where it is? Yes, it is located in Mumbai. The people are fond of music and dance. Which one? वहाँ के जो लोग हैं बहुत पसंद करते हैं. क्या पसंद करते हैं आपका? म्यूजिक एंड डांस. तमाशा is the most popular drama. Which one? Or you can say that Tamasha, a kind of dance drama, is very popular in the state महाराष्ट्र. आपका जो तमाशा है वो एक काइंड है किस चीज़ का? डांस ड्रामा का. बट तमाशा इज़ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर डांस ड्रामा and which is very popular in the state. Lavani is also popular dance. As you can see picture also, Lavani is also a popular dance and Tamasha is also the most popular, or you can say that very popular in the state Maharashtra, which is a kind of dance drama. So got it? Here is a picture. Which one? Tamasha, which is a kind of dance drama and very popular in the state Maharashtra. Men wear dhoti shirt while the women wear a 9-yard sari tied in a special way. As you can see in this picture also, a man, yes, the traditional clothes of men are dhoti and shirt. वहाँ की जो traditional cloth है आपकी क्या है? traditional cloth for man? Yes, dhoti and shirt with a cap also, and it is also called Gandhi topi. What it called? Yes, it is also called Gandhi topi. And you know, let's come here. The women wear saris. But women what wear? Yes, women wear saris. A 9-yard sari which tied in a special way. The most important festival of Maharashtra is Ganesh Chaturthi. Which is the most important festival here in the state Maharashtra? Ganesh Chaturthi. See a beautiful picture. Yes, the most popular festival in the state is Ganesh Chaturthi. As you can see a beautiful picture here, Ganesha here, and then rest of the peoples are standing over there. You know what, beta? One important thing also, textiles, automobiles and electronics. Which one? Textiles, automobiles and electronics are some important industries in Maharashtra. Our next state is Karnataka. Which one? Karnataka. Towards the south of Maharashtra. Which one? Towards the south of Maharashtra lies Karnataka. Its capital, Bangalore. Which is the capital of Karnataka? Bangalore. Yes, Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka, and you know what? It is known as the Garden City. Which one? Yes, its capital. Whose capital? Karnataka capital Bangalore is called the Garden City. Yes, why it is called Garden City? Because of its many park. क्योंकि वहाँ क्या है, काफ़ी पार्क हैं. As you can see, many parks over there. So student, Krishna and Kaveri. Which river? Krishna and Kaveri are the two important rivers in the state Karnataka. आपकी कर्नाटका के जो two important rivers हैं, they are Krishna and Kaveri. Which rivers are the two important rivers in the state Karnataka? Krishna and Kaveri. The state is a leading producer of कॉफ़ी. अगर हम कॉफ़ी की बात करें तो आपका कर्नाटका जो स्टेट है वो काफ़ी लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर है. Teak and sandalwood are its well-known forest products. Which are its well-known forest products? Teak and sandalwood. Bangalore is the biggest software development center in India. बेंगलुरु है जो आपके कर्नाटका की कैपिटल है, वहाँ क्या है आपका बिगेस्ट सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट सेंटर है पूरा ऑल ओवर अगर हम बात करें इंडिया की. You know what बेटा, some other important industries in Karnataka are, वहाँ काफ़ी other important industries हैं just like aeroplane. Which one? Aeroplane, watches, electronic goods and machinery also. Which one? Aeroplane, watches, telephone, machinery and electronic goods and silk also. Which one? Silk also. Recently in Karnataka, computer industry has made it world famous. अगर कर्नाटक में recently आपका क्या है, आपका हेयर जो है कंप्यूटर इंडस्ट्रीज ने, दैट्स बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्यूटर इंडस्ट्रीज इट हैज़ मेड famous all over the world. So now it is also called Silicon Valley of the East. What it called? Silicon Valley of the East. The main cities are here. Mysore, Hubli, Belgaum and Dharwad. People here in Karnataka, the men wear dhoti shirt, as you can see in this picture also. What men wear? Yes, men wear dhoti shirt and women wear sari and blouse. Here in Karnataka, the main language is Kannada. Which is the main language in Karnataka? Kannada. Here in Karnataka, the men mostly wear lungis and shirt, or you can say that dhoti shirt. As you can see in this picture also, this is called dhoti or lungis. What it called? This is called dhotis and lungis, and here shirt also. And what about women? Yes, women mostly wear sari with blouse. The main language is Kannada. Which one? The people of Karnataka speak Kannada language. People are also fond of dance and music. Dasara, Ugadi and Shivratri are important festivals. Which one are the important festivals in Karnataka? Dasara, Ugadi and Shivratri. The many beautiful temples and historical moments in the state. Yes, so many beautiful temples also are located there in Karnataka, and some important, or you can say that historical moments also there. The Vrindavan Gardens in Mysore. Which one? The Vrindavan Gardens in Mysore and Jog Falls are tourist attractions. So students, your next state is Andhra Pradesh. Which is your next state? Andhra Pradesh. To the northeast of Karnataka is Andhra Pradesh. अगर हम किसके नॉर्थ ईस्ट की बात करें, कर्नाटका के नॉर्थ ईस्ट की बात करें, तो आपका कौन सा स्टेट है? आंध्र प्रदेश. हैदराबाद इज द कैपिटल ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश. विच इज द कैपिटल ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश? यस, हैदराबाद. Other important cities of Andhra Pradesh are Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada. Which are the important cities of Andhra Pradesh? Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of tobacco. So आंध्र प्रदेश आपका जो टोबैको है उसका लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है. हैदराबाद इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सेंटर फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट. विच इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सेंटर फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट? हैदराबाद. टू रिवर्स, yes, the rivers Krishna and Godavari. Which rivers? Krishna and Godavari flow through the state आंध्र प्रदेश. आपकी जो दो रिवर हैं कृष्णा एंड गोदावरी वो फ्लो करती हैं स्टेट में. कौन से स्टेट में? आंध्र प्रदेश. देयर फर्टाइल डेल्टास आर आइडल फॉर द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ राइस. विच? यस, फॉर द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ राइस. सो दिस रीजन इज नोन एज द राइस बाउल ऑफ India. But it also known as, yes, this region is also known as the rice bowl of India. The people of Andhra Pradesh speak Telugu language. Which is the main language spoken by the people of Andhra Pradesh? Yes, Telugu. The men traditionally wear dhoti and shirt. What about men? What they wear traditionally wear? They wear dhoti and shirt. Who? Men. And what about women? Women wear sarees. Some important festivals which are celebrated here in the state Maharashtra are Dussehra, Bonalu, Ugadi and Eid. Which one? Dussehra, Bonalu, Ugadi and Eid. So students, as you can see, a beautiful moment here. This is the famous dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Which one is this? Kuchipudi. Yes, Kuchipudi is the famous dance of Andhra Pradesh. Which one? Kuchipudi. As you can see, a beautiful dancer performing which dance? Kuchipudi dance. Students, our next state is Telangana. Which one? Telangana. The state of Telangana was formed in June 2014. When it was formed, Telangana state was formed in June 2014. And what is its capital? Hyderabad. The other important cities of the state are, yes, some other important cities also in Telangana. These are Warangal, Karimnagar, Nizamabad and Khammam. Two major rivers also here, Godavari River and Krishna River. Which river? Godavari River and Krishna River which flow through Telangana. Agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. Which is the main occupation of the people who live in Telangana? Agriculture. Rice, cotton, sugarcane and mango. Which are the main crops which grown here in the state Telangana? They are rice, cotton, sugarcane and mango. There are rich reserves of coal at Singareni. Okay, and you know what beta? Several manufacturing and service industries are located in all around Hyderabad. Yes, वहाँ काफ़ी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आपकी जो है इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं, सर्विस इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं जो कहाँ लोकेटेड हैं आपकी, जो है आपकी हैदराबाद के आसपास, यानी कि ऑल इन and around Hyderabad. Now, Bidri ware. It is a well-known handicraft made here. आपके तेलंगाना में एक well-known handicraft है जो किससे बनता है? Execute excellence in black and white. As you can see in this picture also. So, it is a well-known handicraft made here and it is made from a mixture of zinc and copper with inlay work in the silver. Yes, as you can see here, it is made from a mixture of zinc and copper with inlay work in the silver. As you can see, a worker also, Bindri artist at work here. A beautiful handicraft made here in Telangana. Telugu and Urdu are the main languages spoken here. Which are the main languages spoken in the state Telangana? Telugu and Urdu. Gusadi is a popular folk dance. This is important. Which is the popular folk dance here in the state Telangana? Gusadi. Which one? Gusadi. Batukamba Bonalu and Eid are the main festival of the state. Which are the main festival of the state? Batukamba, Bonalu and Eid. Tamil Nadu. To the south of Andhra Pradesh. अगर हम आंध्र प्रदेश के साउथ में जाते हैं, here lies the state Tamil Nadu. Okay, to the south of Andhra Pradesh lies the state of Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. Which is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Which is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Yes, Chennai. And Tamil Nadu is also famous for its temple. As you can see, a beautiful picture. Just Nataraj temple, Rameshwaram temple are some famous temples. Which one? Nataraj temples and Rameshwar temple. Idli, dosa, sambar, rasam, upma are popular dishes of Tamil Nadu. आपकी तमिलनाडु की popular dishes कौन कौन सी हैं? Idli, dosa, sambar, rasam and upma. And here, just look at here. Pongal is the main festival of the state. Which is the main festival of the state? Pongal. Tamil is the main language. The people here speak which language? Tamil language. Okay, and Bharatnatyam is most famous classical dance. Which is the most famous classical dance? Bharatnatyam. Kanjivaram sarees, also silk sarees. Which sarees? Kanjivaram silk sarees also famous all over the India. Which sarees? Kanjivaram. The traditional clothes of men are dhoti or lungi and shirt, and the women mostly wear sarees. The traditional dress for small girls, whom, yes, traditional dress for small girls is pavdi blouse. Slightly older girls wear half sarees. You know what, beta? Tamil Nadu is also famous for its temple. What? Its temple. Madurai and Thanjavur are famous temples. Which are famous temples? Madurai and Thanjavur. As you can see in this picture also. Yes, Thanjavur. और you can say that where जो कहाँ है आपका थंजावुर में है और विच टेम्पल बृहदेश्वरा. विच टेम्पल? बृहदेश्वरा टेम्पल. Our next state is Madhya Pradesh. Which is our next state? Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Which one? Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And you know what? Madhya Pradesh is in the center of India. Madhya Pradesh कहाँ है आपका? Center of India. The textile industries in Madhya Pradesh is well developed. अगर हम बात करें मध्य प्रदेश की, वहाँ आपके टेक्सटाइल जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ है वो भी काफ़ी वेल डेवलप है. लार्ज एरियाज इन द स्टेट आर कवर्ड विथ फॉरेस्ट. ओके, जो आपका ये एरिया है मध्य प्रदेश, वो जो है आपका लार्ज एरिया किससे कवर्ड है? फॉरेस्ट से कवर्ड है. इट हैज़ सेवरल वाइल्ड लाइफ पार्क सच एज कान्हा. यस, एज यू कैन सी दैट काफ़ी आपकी वाइल्ड लाइफ है जो वो आपकी किस में है? मध्य प्रदेश में है. जस्ट लाइक कान्हा नेशनल पार्क जो आपका मेन टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है. Some other tourist attraction also here in Madhya Pradesh. The Sanchi Stoop, as you can see in this picture also, and which one? Khajuraho temple. So you can see the Sanchi Stoop and Khajuraho temple and Kanha National Park are the main tourist attraction. Here mostly people speak Hindi language. Which language? Or you can say that Hindi is the main language. Many rivers have their origin in this state such as Tapi, Chambal and Narmada. Wheat, jowar, bajra, pearls, all seeds are main crops grown in this state. Yes, in Madhya Pradesh. कौन कौन सी आपकी crops है? Just like wheat, jowar, as you can see in this picture also, wheat, jowar, bajra, pearls, oil seeds. Our next state is Chhattisgarh. Which one? Chhattisgarh. The capital of this state is Raipur. Which is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Raipur. The land particularly द महानदी बेसिन इज़ वेरी फर्टाइल. वहाँ का जो लैंड है पर्टिकुलरली बिकॉज ऑफ महानदी बेसिन है जो यहाँ कैसा लैंड है वो वहाँ का फर्टाइल है. द स्टेट इज़ वेरी रिच इन मिनरल्स. यस, छत्तीसगढ़ स्टेट इज़ वेरी रिच इन मिनरल्स सच एज कोल, iron ore, aluminium ore and diamonds. Yes, which ore? As you can rich in minerals. काफ़ी minerals हैं वहाँ. Which one? Such as coal, iron ore, aluminium ore and diamond. भिलाई has one of India's biggest steel plant. वहाँ आपका भिलाई है जो इंडियाज़ का biggest steel plant है. कहाँ आपका? Where it is? Yes, it is in Chhattisgarh. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.